Hi, I'm Neil, and today I'm gonna introduce my final project proposal. I'm gonna doing a neuroscience interactive website quiz website application. I'm CS student currently doing research in neuroscience, and in neuroscience there are a lot of like interdisciplinary student and the researcher from other field coming into this field to do research. However, there are a lot of like neuroscience knowledge we have to catch up from no matter from classes, seminar, quiz, paper. At least as a result, this platform is for me and my friends in the department and the lab trying to can engage with each other's notes so we can add the question into this platform and we can just like aggregate everyone's question and randomly order the question and we can have the test and show your review results, and you can also see your friends result and your in the leaderboard. In this in this application we use Python Flask for the main applications functionality and the server parts. For the user interface parts, we use the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end user interface interaction part. But the not interaction part, just the interface part. Interaction parts, all functionality are realized by Pythons. So in the code layout, there's a quiz app, there's a server parts, there's a to set up the server Flask stuff, and the root one they will set up the REST API, just like the gas post any kind of like server requirements. And in static and the templates, the front end platform interface stuff. So there's the HTML level, the administrative version and the ordinary version, and there's also the one static for CSS logo and the Bootstrap JavaScript. And in in utilities, there's a SQLite database here, and other Python function are realize the functionality. The add question is to realize the functionality about functions about adding questions, adding your own question, and the app is the main file, and there's a config trying to call the Flask function, and we can also create the student and user or user at the same time, just like because if there's a what if this platform have to be used in the classes and people have to do the notes or adding the question altogether, it is kind of tiring just like if we add the user one by one. So we can add user from CSV file just to set up the database as just like the username and the password and user ID, these three stuff. And there's a README and requirement, just like when we how to run this one, just like when we go into in the command line, going to the file folder and trying to install the old requirement and then run the Flask run. And they will show you on your website locally and to see the whole layout. So right now let's demo just like I have already been in my folder right now. So right now I just Flask run. So that will show that this is the development server. And so right now I just go into this one, and as we can see the layout, so it's quite just like they will show the introduction and click the logo and the quiz app, they will going back to the main page. So there's a register and login, register, and we can register such as like Jack, and the password Jack, and submit. They will say successfully, and there's a name, just like login Jack and Jack. Successfully log in, and we can add question from here because each knowledge point is quite big, so I require people to add 3 questions about this knowledge point, trying to like anatomy, just like trying to cut off this knowledge point in different kind of like angle. So we have to require people to add question, three kind of question at the same time, and you have to click confirm to submit, such as like 2.7, 2 add 7, you can just like 9, 10, 11, 12, and choose the correct option, and 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 12. Click, and the question 3. And we have to click I confirmed this is my question, submit your question added successfully, and we can click the quiz that will randomize the previous question, and after you answer it, such as like, I don't know, let's try. They will show up your results, and you can see the previous, just like your friend and your results here, and we can log out. They will going back to the main page, and we can log in again, and going back, but still in the login version. Logout, the main page is the logout version, and this is my final project. Thank you.